This is the KT09914 Model Clamp Self-Assembly Kit by Trumpeter. In the box, you will find one sand-colored plastic sprue containing the necessary components to build a base and two sprung-loaded clamps. The kit also contains two metal springs and two washers for the plastic clamps. One of the clamps has a toothed grip for ensuring a secure grip on any parts or assemblies. The other clamp has a smooth grip. This would be ideal for holding flat items such as photo-etched frets. In addition to the clamps, there is a small hexagonal base and both clamps fit into the base via a ball and socket joint. This will ensure that the clamps have a wide degree of movement and can be positioned by the modeler as required. The back of the box shows a parts breakdown. There is also a simple picture guide to the assembly of the unit. This unit has a number of applications for modelers, including assembly of parts and painting. The KT09914 Model Clamp Self-Assembly Kit by Trumpeter.